welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make some cobbler. So I harvest more of our peaches in our tree outside, so I'm going to use them today. This cobbler, I'm going to add some almond flour, lemon, and blueberry. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a sliced peaches that I just washed and cleaned. And now I'm going to add my sugar. Alright. And some starch. I'm gonna add that in there as well. Stir that together. Mix it up. Alright, and then I'm going to transfer it into my baking glass. You can use any baking pan, whatever you want to bake this on. I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, just like that. And we're going to put that aside while we're gonna mix our dough. Okay, so I have my bowl here and I'm going to put my all-purpose flour, almond flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Okay, and I'm just gonna stir that together just to combine. Okay, now I'm going to add my lemon juice and I'm going to add sour cream. Okay, and I'm gonna use my spatula again just to incorporate them together. Now we're going to add our butter, cold butter, and now I'm going to use my pastry cutter, but you can also use your hand. Just mix the butter into your flour. Use them to mix butter in your dough. So I'm just gonna mix it all up. There we go, guys. Cut them up. Alright, now I'm just gonna use my hand and mix them together a little bit so you get everything mixed well. So now we made a nice soft dough. Alright, just like that. So we're going to put them on top. Okay, so I have blueberry here. I'm just gonna scatter them a little. I'm not gonna put too much because I have a lot of peaches here already. Just like that. And I have some zest lemon and I'm gonna sprinkle some on top. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of my dough. I'm just gonna broken them up and put them on top. Just like that. Alright, so I got all the dough on top. Now I'm going to some sugar, and I have a broken sugar. I'm just gonna put that on top just to give it a nice crunch on top when you bake. Okay, so this is gonna bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do 25 first and see how the top look like, and if it's nice and golden brown, then it's ready. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. I just took the cobbler out of the oven and it was baked for 30 minutes, and I use convection oven. So if you use regular, make sure you check the cobbler, and if the top get burned too fast, cover with foil. If your crumb on top is getting burned or getting darker, that way it doesn't get really burned. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I have also extra one over here. Well, our cobbler is all done, and I wish you guys can smell this. The flavor of the peaches and the blueberry and the lemon in there is just floating in the air inside the house. If you want to try to make this cobbler, you can also use different kind of berries. if you prefer. Okay, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.